In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode on the Facebook app if you prefer a darker screen that's easier on the eyes, especially at night or in low light environments. This is a quick setting worth knowing. Dark mode can also help reduce glare, and many people simply like the cleaner look. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it inside the Facebook app and what each option means. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon, which usually appears as three horizontal lines. Tap that to open the main menu. From here, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that section to expand it. This area contains extra controls and account options, so if you don't see everything right away, just keep scrolling slowly and you should find it. Next, tap Settings. This will open Facebook's full settings page, where a lot of the app's customization options are located. Since there are many settings here, take your time and scroll down until you reach the Preferences section. Under Preferences, look for Dark Mode if it's available in your version of the app. Tap Dark Mode to open the display options. If you don't see it immediately, it may be because the app version or device settings affect where this option appears, so make sure you're checking carefully within Preferences. Once you open Dark Mode, you'll usually see three choices. The first option is On. This means Facebook will always use dark mode, no matter what your phone's general appearance setting is. If you want the app to stay dark at all times, this is the one to choose. The second option is Off. This keeps Facebook in light mode all the time, so if you decide dark mode isn't for you, this option switches it back. The third option is Use System Setting. This allows Facebook to match your phone's current theme automatically. For example, if your phone is set to dark appearance, Facebook will also appear in dark mode. If your phone switches back to light appearance, Facebook will follow that too. This is a great option if you want a more automatic experience. After selecting the option you want, the change should apply right away. That's all it takes to turn on dark mode on the Facebook app. If this video helped, feel free to follow along for more simple app tutorials.